Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pratik Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the SQL programming. Okay, the first to seven topic we already covered. Okay, now let's come on the 8, that is SQL where condition. Okay, it's very important. They have lots of function. Like first is equal. Now let's try to do equal. Okay, now open SQL server. Okay, now I am in here. Select. Okay, and you define everything. Like I'm define all row and columns right now, and from which table I'm entry data 1. Okay, first execute and you see there have lots of things. Now we are apply a condition like where, okay, where name data, like you need to enter column name, that is name data, and apply condition if name data is equal to, like I'm enter here, you see there have Deep, I'm enter Deep. If it's equal to Deep, okay, if it's equal to Deep, then only that's row it's defined, okay, or it's show only that's row. Now let's click to execute and you see Deep. Okay, everything's defined only on Deep data. Okay, if I name to change, I'm enter here Pradeep. Okay, and the Pradeep have a 3 row. Okay, now click to execute and you see Pradeep 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. Okay, they have a different person ID. Okay, and different state, and this email is right now null. Okay, 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 this is the where condition. First is equal. Okay, this is the equal condition. Okay, this is the equal condition. Now let's come on the next one, that is greater than. Okay, greater than, how we can apply this? What do you do? Remove and choose any other data, like I'm enter price. Okay, price, where price is greater than 50. Okay, if the price is greater than 50, then display every value. Okay, but not less than 50. Okay, now click to execute and you see price 80, 55, 90, 68, 99, 99. Okay, not less than 50. Okay, if I change this arrow and I'm enter less than 50. Okay, the price is less than 50, it's execute. Now you see less than 50 have 10, 22, 22, 22, like this. Okay, you can easy to filter help of where condition, that is very amazing. Okay, now the next one is like not equal. Okay, now I am apply less than greater than, it means it's not equal to 50. Like you see there have a 90. Okay, and I apply to 90 here, it is not equal to 90. Okay, except to 90 it's define every or display every row. Okay, like I'm click to execute and you see they have no 90 price here. Okay, you see. Okay, like if you need to replace like a 99, okay, you not need to show 99 row. Okay, now what do you do? Click to 99, not equal to 99, click to execute and you see 99 is gone here. Okay, okay, this is a where condition you can easy to apply. It's very, like it's very important for your filtering your data. Let's come on the next one, that is greater, or we already covered. Okay, between we already covered. Yes, here it's very important, that is a between. Okay, how we can do this? Like I meant here where price, where price between sorry uh, sorry between, like you see what is price? Price is your row. Okay, your sorry, your column name, price your column between. Now I'm entry data between 10 and, like I'm entry here like 10 to 50. Okay, otherwise I'm entry 10 to 90. Okay, means it's only defined data that's from 10 to 90 only. Okay, if I enter here like 50, like 50 to 90 it's defined. Okay, other is replaced, or we can say other is removed from this table. Now click to execute and you see only 80, 55, 90, 68 here. Okay, if you are change, like I'm at here 0 to only on like 30. Okay, and I click to execute and it's only defined 0 to 33. Okay, you see 10, 22, 20, 22, like this. Okay, if I change, like I'm need to enter 0 to 100. Okay, now you see every price here, that is 10, 80, 55, 90, 68, 22, 99. Okay, this is a very important, that is between statement, between and end. Okay, now let's come on the next one. Okay, that is like, it's very important. This means you need to search name starting from any character. Okay, okay, this problem let's come to do. Okay, where like comment here where name data, where name data like, and you need to enter like %s, or we can say %p, okay, and click to execute. And you see sorry, you need to enter in the end of your character like this and click to execute. And you see the name is starting from P, it's only defined that's data. You see P, first name P Pradeep, okay. If I'm change that is S, it's only show S character data, okay. You see S Sandeep, S Saroj, okay. And if you are need you like a last data, okay, last character, now what do? You need to remove % here and apply to in the front like this, okay, and click to execute. And you see they have no any data that are end from star S and from S. Now I'm enter P and click to execute. And you see in the last of Pradeep P, Sandeep last P, Mandeep last P, Deep P, Pradeep, okay. You can easy to filter help of like, okay. There have lots of function here, you can easy to apply search on Chrome about the like SQL like function, okay. That's different things like percent, like %p, %p, click to execute. And you see in the Pradeep they have a P okay. So P means %p and %p, that means in everywhere in the name have a P that is defined, okay. Now I'm enter here as execute. And you see Sandeep have as, Jasveer have as, Saroj have, and Isha have, okay. That's why it's very useful %, and you need to enter character and you need to enter %, okay. They have lots of function about the like, okay, but it's not more use in the data logging, okay. Now let's come on the next one. Next one is in, okay. In parameter, that is also where condition, okay. This parameter is used for multiple data display, okay. Now how we can do this, let's enter here like in the name data, or we can say price or name, okay. I'm enter here name data in, okay, sorry, in, and bracket start bracket close. And you need to enter as per command, like if you have multiple name data, like I'm enter here first Pradeep, sorry, Pradeep, comma Sandeep, okay, comma Deep, okay. Now let's click to execute. And you see only Pradeep, Sandeep, Deep, okay, and Pradeep, only these data it show in this between, okay. If I enter here other like I'm remove Sandeep one, okay, like this, and click to execute. And you see only Pradeep and Deep it's defined, you see Pradeep and Deep, okay. You can easy to filter help of this one. You can do anything like I'm enter here price, I'm enter here price, okay. Price in which, like I'm enter here first data, that is I'm enter here 10, okay. If have 10 or a 99, okay, or otherwise I'm enter here like 90, okay. Remove this one, okay. Now click to execute. And you see only 10 and 90 is display here, okay. You can change like I'm enter 99, okay, 10 and 99, or like I'm enter here 90 and 99, click to execute. And you see 90 and 99 display on your table, okay. It's very important, okay. Now let's come on the next one. And that is okay. Now it's where condition is complete, you can easy to do or apply lots of filter. And please do practice, okay. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.